how much time do you have to manually adjust thousands, millions of bids? When I was a customer of Techometrics, I had 5,000 SKUs, 25 brands I was managing, literally millions of targets that I was exposed to. We want you to not have to worry about what our system is doing because we're showing you the results that you're telling us to produce for you.
Artificial intelligence isn't just an abstract concept anymore. It's a reality, and sellers on Amazon, Walmart, and beyond are using it to manage thousands of tasks automatically, and they're using it to grow at scale. Techometrics Flywheel 2.0 has leveraged AI for quite some time now, and this video invites Jake Wilk to break down exactly how you can use AI-based tools to improve sales in e-commerce and what that looks like specifically within the Techometrics Flywheel ecosystem. This is a really good conversation with Jake. It makes AI digestible and easier to understand. So let's jump in and let's hear what Jake has to say.
Trust is a big adjacent topic to the hot button of AI, right? How do you trust what's inside the black box? Well, how do you contextualize what is happening? Most often sellers trust results, right? But it's hard to contextualize and trust every micro adjustment that's happening. I think AI can only go so far without human instruction. Human instruction in the context of what are the goals of my products? How profitable do I need to be to advertise these products? That steering is essential to inform AI. You can pop up a sail on a sailboat, but if you're not steering it just the right way to catch the wind, you're not going to go as fast or as far or as straight on course in the direction you want to go. If you can inform AI, here's where I need my ACoS to be profitable or to be on target, incorporating details about where your products are in their life cycle, that's where we're charting, right? So our AI system is taking into account the hourly data that's coming over from Amazon Marketing Stream to make intraday adjustments at the hourly level. So we're taking into account time of day conversion rate, average order values, cost per click trends to make individual day adjustments. We're also taking into account tentpole seasonality, right? So if we're looking at Prime Day or Turkey 5 or any of that stuff, our system is building predictive models to adjust for those seasonal events. But if you can combine all of that data that we're crunching and the adjustments that we're making for you automatically or via AI with instruction, then it gets pretty powerful and dangerous in my opinion. Another hot button topic, especially in the advertising space, is, well, how do you day part Amazon ads?
Yes.
Our AI system is essentially trying to do that same thing, but preserving your budget and your peak spending periods for times where you're gonna earn the most in return. And so it's not traditional day parting, but it's taking into account where you should be at different times of the day to produce the optimal efficiency, sales levels, whatever the goal is of that campaign or advertising strategy you're running. The day parting of it all is happening behind the scenes in the black box of the AI.
What's the human interaction there?
Yeah, so today it's giving us boundaries, right? Setting the course of saying, don't go below this bid or above this bid. It's also telling us via an ACoS target, for example, how aggressive you want us to be on your behalf. And then when you marry that with life cycle of your catalog, which is the next path that we're going down at Techometrics, not only are we doing everything we can to inform our bidding day to day on the goals you've given us to try to hit, but then also we're taking into account the needs of your inventory. All of those things can be run in the black box, in the AI, with that human instruction from the beginning.
That's something that's coming
very soon. Yeah, so we're going to label that as our goal-based bidding strategy. It's essentially like what I said. As you have different conditions within your catalog, you could instruct our AI by labeling your SKUs as one of those classifications, and that instructs our AI to do different things over time, right? So if you're telling us that, hey, we need to be more profitable for 40% of my SKUs, but then this 20% I'm classifying as growth or launch or something where you're trying to stimulate more volume. Well, if you're willing to stimulate more volume, then you're more willing to not care as much about ACoS in that scenario because volume is the goal there. Whatever the objective is, our AI should have a playbook to run for any aspect of your catalog's lifecycle.
Hey, thank you so much for joining this conversation about artificial intelligence. Subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all things AI and e-com. And of course, to gain access to artificial intelligence in e-commerce, sign up for Techometrics for free. You can start leveraging AI right now today in your own e-commerce operations, and it's free to sign up and to check out. So click below to sign up for Techometrics Flywheel 2.0 for free, and we'll see you there.